I think I'll leave you to do the consumer arithmetic topic test. So I'll leave this for homework.
Yep.
And I'm just going to, if you have a look at the chat section, I'm just going to upload a file. It'll take a second to come through. But this is going to be your trig booklet. That way we can work through it together now. Okay?
Yep.
Awesome.
Wait, have we finished consumer?
Pardon?
Have we finished consumer?
Yeah, that was the last topic we had to do.
Okay.
Okay. So what are the main things we did in consumer? Brief overview. So we did earning and saving money.
Yep.
So that is wages, how much would you have if you put this much away, double time, overtime, things like that.
Yep.
And then we have simple interest, which is our formula. And what's the simple interest formula?
SI?
No, it's
A?
I.
Equals P and R M.
Perfect. And what's the P stand for?
Principal.
Yep, principal. And that's the initial amount that you're putting in, right?
Yep.
And what's the R stand for?
Rate.
Yep. And what's the N stand for?
Number.
Number of what?
Number of number.
Yeah, so it's the number of periods, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're paying it back over 3 years, then it'd be 3.
Yep.
Yeah. And what can you tell me about R and N? What's important about those two?
That they're the same like period, but
Yeah, exactly. They're the same time period. So if one of them's in months, the other has to be in months.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. And what about compound interest? What's the compound interest formula?
A equals P bracket is it 1 minus R?
Not 1 minus, that's for depreciation. Yeah, 1 plus R. Because this is interest, we're going to be earning money, and it's to the power of N, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so what's the difference between A and I?
A is the amount of money after the interest been added.
Perfect. And what's I stand for?
Interest.
Yeah. So A is money, the initial amount plus the interest. I is just the interest.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. And what's the depreciation formula?
A equals the bracket 1 minus R.
Yeah. Or to the power of N.
Yeah.
Because now we're decreasing it by a certain rate. We're not increasing it, right?
Yeah.
And then all of these are just practical applications of the formula, those formulas, right?
Yeah.
So does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does the basic idea of consumer arithmetic, how's that sitting with you? Is that okay?
Yeah. Because sometimes I get a bit confused, but I have to really read the question.
Yeah, just make sure you reread the question, make sure you understand what's going on, how much they're paying, how much they're getting, things like that. Yeah. So that'll just come with practice. And if you want, I can give you that other booklet on consumer arithmetic, which has similar questions, but different ones, so you can just practice a bit more.